Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this video, I want to show you some stretches you can do at home while you're in a seated position to work on your hands, your fingers, and your wrist. So these are some really simple exercises, and again, you can do them while you're sitting, you can do them while you're walking, or when you're on a plane, whatever it is. So the first thing I want to show you is just stretching your fingers as far as you can. So getting your fingers into as much extension as possible. So this is different from what we do during the day, right? We're doing a lot of type of this kind of stuff here, right? And so what I want you to do is get your fingers into their maximum range of motion. So extending your fingers as far as possible, squeezing them back, and then just holding this for, as long as you want to. So I would say do this for at least a minute, but you can do it for 90 seconds or 2 minutes. And it's just something that we don't do a lot, and it's going to just make your fingers and your hands feel a lot better. So this is the first one you can do. Again, I'm just spreading my fingers as much as I can, squeezing them back. The next one you want to do is for your wrist, and this is to help counter the extended position of your wrist when you're typing. And so what we're going to do for this is just grab the back of your hand and kind of squeeze that in toward the inside of your wrist. So I'm going for wrist flexion here. And you can do this assisted, you can make it passive, or you can make it more active. So you're basically curling like you're doing a wrist curl, and then just kind of holding that. If you want a little bit more movement here, you can kind of move your hands from side to side as you're doing this. And you can kind of think of this as a counter to what you do while you are, while you're on a computer. So this is just a really simple little stretch you can do, and you can do it while you're seating. This is especially important for people who do yoga a lot, because when you're doing yoga, your hands are like this, right? You're doing a down dog, you're doing a plank, but you're not actually doing a lot of gripping. So it's really important to do this exercise to help stretch and counter what you're doing with yoga. And then the next thing I want to show you is great for if you do a lot of gripping exercises, and this is wrist extension. So I'm going to be passive here. I'm going to bring my hand to my fingers like this, and then just kind of pull my fingers to the back of my forearm. Try to spread your fingers as wide as you can, like we did at the beginning here, and then pull your fingers back, and you're going to feel this stretch through your forearms. I think this is called a rock climber stretch by some people, but basically what you're doing here is just stretching, you're stretching your wrist flexors, right? So the inside of your forearm. And you just want to do that on both sides. I would do a minimum of 30 seconds, 45, 60 seconds, even 90 seconds is fine too. And this is going to be really nice if you did some weightlifting the day before, or if you're feeling sore from doing any sort of gripping exercise. And that's it. So this is something that you can do whenever. You can do it every day if you want to. And the end result is going to be your fingers, your hands, your wrists are going to feel a lot better. They're not going to feel very stiff. They won't be as clicky, or clicky. So you won't have as much clicking or popping in your joints when you move your wrists or your fingers. And again, it's just going to feel a lot better. So you can do this every day if you want. You can do it at the beginning of the day and the end of the day, 1-2 times a day, whatever it is. Yes, you can do it every day. And that's it. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, comment, share it. And if you're not already following me on social media, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. So follow me there. If you want to learn more about what I do with Manful Yoga, head to my website at manfulyoga.com for full online structured programs, so you can actually jump into a program, start getting stronger, work on your flexibility, your balance, all that good stuff. Again, that's at manfulyoga.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.